welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. I received mine I think like 3 days ago. I like BoxyCharm because I always get my box super early. I have signed up to another subscription and I signed up in December for the December box and I still haven't received it, and they already charged me for the January box, which is so annoying. I'm definitely canceling that subscription because, like, really? Anyways, enough about that because this video is not about that. This video is about the BoxyCharm for the month of January, which honestly I was excited for this box. I didn't get any sneak peeks or anything like that. Actually, I got the sneak peeks like through email the day after my box was here, so they were kind of a little behind on all that and letting me know that my box was on its way a day after it had already arrived. So let me take out the little paper so we can see the dealio with the stuff in here. So this month's box theme is Boxy and Chill, which is really cute. I actually feel like I like the little theme of the picture and all more than the products. Just kidding. Okay, so based off the card, now this is annoying because they included this product 2 months ago or 3, the Briogeo leave-in conditioner. I personally have an issue with them sending hair products if you specifically choose and, you know, have on your like questionnaire that they make that I do not want hair products, and I still get them sent. I get that. I mean, I just don't understand the reasoning for the questionnaire if it's not going to kind of like follow the questionnaire, like the stuff that they put in your box and stuff like that. Because there's months that I've gotten like crazy lip products that I'm just like, I specifically put in my list that I wanted a liquid lipstick and I got like a regular lipstick and stuff like that. So whatever, it is what it is. I already have one of these that I haven't even used that I got like 3 months ago. I have been using it, but it's not like I use it every day just because I just rather not get hair product stuff in my boxes. That's just me. But that product retails for $12. Next is a liquid lipstick, and obviously I am wearing it, and it's the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Miami Fever. I saw they had a few different colors. I'm actually happy I got this color. I feel like it goes so well with this like kind of like a soft brown smoky eye, and I don't have a color like this in my collection, which is always good when you don't have something similar to it and you get to try a different color. I actually really like it, especially for summer. I feel like this is a gorgeous color, and I love their packaging as well. So this was definitely a hit, and that retails for $20. Next we got this Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Now I did try it out today. Obviously I am wearing it in combination with my brow pomade, but I did like it for the most part. I feel like you can't put too much pressure because the product pushes in, which is kind of annoying, especially like if you like darker brows or anything like that. You have to be very light-handed with it. So if you have fuller brows, more full than me, I have like a little strand of brows, which is not much. If you have fuller brows, you will probably like this because you just want to fill in your brows like very lightly just so you can look like your brows are more put together. This is a good brow pencil. Again, not too much pressure because the product sinks in. I don't know if it's just my pencil that does that, but when I was trying to do my brows, it would keep like rolling back down, which is annoying. And that retails for $18. Next we have this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I was actually very excited for these. I saw someone posted a picture like the day before I got my box that they got a palette like this. They got the different version, which I honestly wanted the other version of the palette. I think they had 2 eyeshadow palette versions and then a highlighter palette, but it was still like a circular form. It's a nice palette, I'm not gonna lie. It's a very nice palette. The packaging is beautiful. It retails for $36. So I would say for this palette, I would say the price is up there. Now if you see the colors in the inside, these are just not my type of colors. They just really aren't. And I really wanted to do like a neutral eye, like a very simple neutral eye, because I thought this color named Tiki right here was going to be like a really pretty, like just brown in the crease blending color. It definitely wasn't. It's more of a like brow bone highlight color. It just looks much more brown in the palette, which definitely caught me off guard, which is why how I ended up with a makeup so intense as opposed to what I was going to do. I used Treasure and Escape, these two shimmery shades, on my lid, the first part of my lid, and it's very pretty. One thing I will say about these glitters is that you can put them on dry and they're very pigmented, which is something that I actually did like, because other times there's other palettes where they're shimmers, you have to wet them in order to get like a really strong payoff. And I also applied it with my finger and it went on as pigmented as with a brush, dry.
And then I dampened it.
I wet my brush. Let's go with that. I wet my brush and I feel like it popped even more than what it was already popping on the lid. So yeah, this is a very nice palette. I am going to say I am going to give it away to my mom most likely, because these are her kind of colors. So yeah, I'm glad I got it, because I mean, it's still gonna get used. I used it once already. Like, Mom, have at it. Lastly, we got these Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, and I think what I read that the actual pack of the Tatcha mask comes with 3. They only included 2, and it says that these retail for $24. I'm still excited. If we would have got one, I'm still excited that I get to try these. You guys have seen Tatcha is a more expensive skincare brand. Their stuff is good. I have tried a few of their face stuff out. I have liked them, but they definitely are more pricey. So I'm excited to try this mask because it's dewy. And I feel like lately my skin has been a little dry, which is kind of annoying. So it's time to mask it up with all these moisturizing masks. And what better way to start it than with a luminous dewy skin mask. I know a lot of people think that if you have oily skin, you shouldn't use moisturizing products, like super moisturizing products. I think the opposite. The times that I have used oils on my skin and moisturizers and really lathered it up with like moisturizing products, I feel like the nicest my skin has been. More moisturized without getting super oily. I'm normally oily combination, I would say. And in the winter, definitely I can notice that I am dry around this area. Always, every winter, it doesn't, you know, fail. I get dry around here. I get dry especially around this area. I don't know why. And I usually, since I already know, I use the same oil, which is the Tarte Maracuja oil. I use it around this area after I do all my skincare, and I moisturize with that overnight, and it works amazing. So anything that moisturizes my skin, especially in the winter, I'm all for. And the whole like moisturizing with oil kind of tricks your skin into thinking that it has enough oil, so you don't need, so it doesn't need to produce more oil, rather than if you're using a moisturizer that's for super oily skin. That just, like, to me, it feels like it makes my skin more oily if I'm using products like that. So I rather do the opposite, trick my skin into thinking that, like, hey, you don't need to produce as much oil because you're set. So I don't know, let me know if you guys have heard those type of tricks or tips. I've heard them a lot, and once I started implementing them on my skincare routine, I feel like my skin has been so much better, especially on being super oily throughout the day. We just went off on a whole tangent. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought of this month's BoxyCharm. I feel kind of like like, I'm happy I got the liquid lipstick. So I at least got my money's worth, because this liquid lipstick retails for $20. Yeah, so if I was going to buy an Ofra liquid lipstick, which has been on my wish list and I have been eyeing, I would have spent the same as getting the Boxy Charm. And then this is kind of like a plus for me. So these are the two products, all-star products from this month. The other ones, you know, they're okay. One's going to my mom, so she's probably going to love that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!